I'm your friend Vikas Ahuja and I welcome you all in our channel Fit Viewer. Here you get all the information about nutrition and fitness. Friends, I welcome you all in our abs workout series for beginners part 2. If you have not watched abs workout series for beginners part 1, the link I'll give in a description box. Go and watch. We are just going to start our abs workout series for beginners part 2 very soon. So no more further delay. Let's start the video. Friends, each exercise for 3 sets and repetitions range 8 to 12 repetitions. Our first exercise is half crunches. When you lift your shoulders, then exhale. When you come back onto normal position, then inhale. This exercise works on your upper abs called rectus abdominis. Friends, do it slowly. When you go up, contract your muscles and come back slowly. Ten seconds rest. Now our second exercise is air bike crunches. Place your hands behind your head and move your legs towards your core region or stomach. When your leg comes towards your core region or stomach, then exhale, then go straight. When inhale, don't touch your legs on the floor. This exercise works on your lower abs. Do it slowly. Do it, do it, do it. One more to go. One more to go. One more to go. Last one. One more. 10 seconds rest. Our third exercise is sitting twists. Place your hands together and rotate from right to left sides. Here I give you examples. You have something in your hands. You lift it and drop it in another sides. When you lift, inhale, and when you drop it, then inhale. When you lift something, you can lift your legs. When you drop something, you can drop your legs. This exercise works on your internal as well as external obliques. We call it love handles also. Do it slowly. 2 more to go. 1 more to go. 1 more. 1 more to go. 1 more. 1 more. 1 more to go. 10 second rest. This is our last exercise, leg raises. Lift your both legs. When your legs come towards your core region or stomach, then exhale. When come back, then inhale. Don't touch your legs on the floor. Do it slowly. Contract your muscles. 4 more to go. 3 more to go. 2 more to go. 1 more to go. Last one. Last one. one more. 10 seconds rest. Now our workout has finished. Cheers. So friends, you can share your feedbacks in comments box to write your comments, and if you like the content, you can press the like button, and if you are new on this channel, you can press the subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell. So this is all about this video. So thank you very much for watching this video.